How to download QuickBooks for free. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download QuickBooks for free the legal way. No cracks, no illegal downloads, just the real deal. So let's get started. First, head over to the official QuickBooks website. In your browser, type in quickbooks.intuit.com and simply hit on enter. This will take you directly to the official QuickBooks website where you can explore all the available options. Now tap on go to global site. QuickBooks offers the various of free trial plan. Simply tap it. Tap for register. As you can see here, students are eligible for a free QuickBooks online for 12 months. Here we can find 12 months free trial. Simply tap on free 12 months student trial. Now here in this page, you need to search, simply enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, and an educational institution of your country. Once you've done that, simply tap on submit. After you sign up, the free trial will begin, and QuickBooks will also ask for payment information to start the trial. But don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period. If you don't want to continue after the trial, just cancel before it ends. And that's it. That's how you can simply download QuickBooks for free.